like I said, he's kidding. We have to take selfies. I'm upset and I'm really mad, but this is new because he just walked away. Really mad. And yeah.
Dakota's like, she's like, I'm a teenager. She's not a teenager, she's a little lady. She's 13.
And he just tried to grab the cat.
By human
That
terms.
obviously did not
Adult
work.
terms, she's a little dog.
Grab Gish, right? And then go to bed. Yeah, kitty. Yeah. And we got this He's putting his paw on his Yeah, those are the kittens. This is Piper. I'm gonna get Milk so we can show you guys together. But yeah, bye.